Opening surprise eggs.
Three little babies opening an egg. One got an ice cream, its color was red. Two little babies opening an egg. One got a lollipop, its color was green. One little baby opening an egg. One got a jelly, its color was blue.
Bingo has an eyeboo.
Bingo was walking down the street. Bingo was walking down the street. Bingo was walking down the street when he bumped into a tree and felt so dizzy, and felt so dizzy. But he walked again down the street, walked again down the street, walked again down the street and fell onto his knee. We must take him to the vet. We must take him to the vet. We must take him to the vet and work something out. So let's go now. So let's go now. The doctor is checking Bingo. The doctor is checking Bingo. The doctor is checking Bingo to help Bingo out. Bingo needs some eye drops. Bingo needs some eye drops. Bingo needs some eye drops to see properly. To see properly. To see properly. Bingo's all cured now. Bingo's all cured now. Bingo's all cured now. All thanks to the dog. Snowman song.
Let's go build a white snowman, a white snowman, a white snowman. Let's go build a white snowman with a carrot for his nose. Two black buttons for his eyes, for his eyes, for his eyes. Two black buttons for his eyes and two sticks for his arms. He can wear a scarf around his neck, around his neck, around his neck. He can wear a scarf around his neck and hope he does not melt. He can wear a hat on his head, on his head, on his head. He can wear a hat on his head on a cold and snowy morning. I go to bed, just to draw a picture and keep it in my head. I never feel lonely as it sings back to me. It helps me fall asleep and dream what I could be. I used to need someone to read the lines for me. I would listen carefully, draw a picture I could see. A poem is my best friend, from it I learn a lot. It helps me fall asleep whenever I cannot. I have a lot of poems I keep up on my shelf. Some got pictures I like to read myself. The pictures I draw, they keep me company. I even made new friends, they mean a lot to me.
Traffic light song.
Those are the traffic lights, traffic lights, traffic lights. Those are the traffic lights we will learn. Traffic lights are three colors, three colors, three colors. Traffic lights are three colors we will learn. When you see the color red, color red, color red. When you see the color red, you should stop. When you see the color yellow, color yellow, color yellow. When you see the color yellow, you should wait. When you see the color green, color green, color green. When you see the color green, you should go. Those are the traffic lights, traffic lights, traffic lights. Those are the traffic lights, now you know. Now we all can cross the street, cross the street, cross the street. Now we know the traffic lights, we are all happy.
One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive.
fly up into space, I stand up on the moon. And do you know what else I do? I explore galaxies.
You are an astronaut.
I wear a uniform, I fight crimes everywhere. And do you know what else I do? I save people.
You are a policeman.
I plant a lot of seeds, I take care of the soil. And do you know what else I do? I grow trees.
You are a gardener.
I put out all the fires, I rescue everyone. And do you know what else I do? I respond to emergencies.
You are a firefighter.
I bake the sweetest cakes and tasty pies too. And do you know what else I do? I make donuts.
You are a baker.